Do you know that there's no culture that doesn't sing? There's no culture on earth that doesn't sing. So you think about it, just observing and being in the presence of people who are willing to risk and to make these sounds and to tell these stories. Chamber opera was the first form of opera. Opera is a genre that's 500 years old and has been constantly in a state of evolution. So we are at a very exciting time in the 21st century where chamber opera and small-scale productions are becoming more important and more impactful.
The root of chamber opera in that period is that it really came from a deep concern about humanity. Why we need those expressions in music, why do we need these new techniques to be invented on the instruments? It's not just to invent some crazy sound, they have to express something.
This is a model that I think is very important in terms of what we do at UCSD. It's a chance for people to get professional level experience and to create a world premiere.
What we do is not a lecture. It's not a verdict, it's an experience. Hopefully invite people to kind of have that experience in that performance so that it gives them more space to imagine, more space to contemplate, more space to perhaps face themselves.
I think any art form can open up our imagination and our heart and our spirit in a way that might lead us to other conclusions, other ways of thinking about things, other ways of experiencing. I want to see the art form continue to grow, and it will only continue to grow and expand and live if we take the risk to make significant new work.